Today I'll be trying to recreate my YouTube intro using Canva. Now this is the page already. I've opened it up. This is what we're trying to recreate. So what I want to do is to click on File. Then I'll click on Create New Design. Then I scroll through till I see the YouTube thumbnail dimension. For an easier way, you can just search in the search box for YouTube thumbnail. Pops up. There are lots of different templates available pre-created by Canva already, but for this I want to start afresh. So I'll click on it and click on my colors. This is the color I want to use. Then I click on Uploads. Uploads, this is where you have all images and videos you uploaded to Canva. I scroll through till I see the image I want to use. Now that I found the image I want to use, I click on it. Then it pops up on my new page. I increase the size, rotate it, reduce it a bit, move it. The next thing I want to do is to add a text. So I'll click on T on my keyboard. Then I type in the text of my choice. Now that I've typed it in, I want to increase the size. This is what we're trying to recreate. So let's go back. Click on the font. Search for Dancing Script because that's the font I used before. Click on it. The changes have been applied. Then I'll rotate my text. Move it. I'll still have to rotate it again. Reduce the size a bit and let's move it. Click out the box. The next thing I want to do is to go to my elements and search for Instagram. So this is it. We'll click on this one. I want to reduce the size. Now that we've done that, I will move it to the side. Now let's search for Pinterest. These are my two social media platforms that I want to be using. You can decide to add more. You can decide to add Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, whatsoever. Just search for the pin in the search box via elements. Now I want to change the color. First off, I'll reduce this. Changing the color to somewhat black, but not so deep, like so much into the black. Click on it. I want to move it. I want to change the color for that of the Instagram icon. let's type in my text. I've changed the color already. So typing in my text to be close to the Pinterest and the Instagram icon. So I'm done with that. I want to move it. And this is it. I've changed the font already. I use the Gothic hand font. So what I want to do is to copy and paste. Move it to the side. Increase this a bit and move it, and this is it. We're done with page 1. So let's go to page 2, and this is what we're trying to recreate. Don't forget, click add a new page. For this page 2, what I want to do is to go to my elements, scroll down to the stickers option, then search for the gradient sticker. There are lots of options for you to pick from in these stickers, a lot of them. Let me click on shapes so you can have a view of what it looks like. You can see the amazing options available here. So just do what you feel okay with. Play around with it and be creative with it. There are lots of options available, as you can see. You can see this is really nice. So what we're looking for is not here. I'm just going to search in the search box for gradient stickers. So edit this and write gradients. I'll keep looking through till I see what I'm looking for. Network is kind of a mess. It's really slow. So this is it. I'll click on it. What I want to do now is to duplicate that effect, that sticker rather. So I've clicked on duplicate, remove it and play around with it till I am comfortable with it. So this is it. I want to increase the size. I still want to move it to the side. So I want to flip the duplicated one, but first off, let's exit this. Let's flip horizontally. To rotate it so the white line is what is more prominent. It's still really big, so I'll still have to reduce the size and move it I'm going to increase this and move it to the side. It doesn't look so great yet, so I'll keep editing it. Move it again till it's like only the white line visible. Move it. Okay, let's leave it this way. I still want to move it a bit. So this is perfect. Now let's add our text. Go to the text box. Click on the text icon. Now I want to click on a pre-created text. So let's use this one. Click on it. So I will edit the text. So let's resize it, increase it. Click on it, move it, increase it, then reduce the size again. We'll still have to move it and still reduce it. Reduce this. So what I want to do now is to click on duplicate. Then I will edit this text also. To type in Snapseed. Increase and reduce again. I want to duplicate the same text again. This one I will write Lightroom. Then I repeat the same process, just to increase and reduce it. Just making sure they all align and they look good together. So to change the color, I'll click on it, click on effects, click on the color, then I change it to the color I have used before. Change this to apply the same process to the three of them. What I did was to click on effects, then just through effects I changed the color. Now I want to change the color of the text. I go to my text, click on the text, then change the color to white. And page 2 is done. Click on add a new page. Now I want to go to my uploads. I want to add this subscribe button. I had already saved it from Pixels as a GIF. Then I removed the background using onscreen.com. I have a video about that, so I'll leave the link in the description box so you can take a look at it and know how it is done if you do not have an idea already. So this is what we want to use. I'll click on it, and this is it. I'll increase the size till I'm satisfied with it. Move it. Make sure it is centralized. This is great. Click add a new page for the fourth page. Go to my elements. Go to stickers and search for loading. I want to add the loading sticker. Network is kind of a mess this morning. I really don't know why. I'm so sorry about that. So I look through till I see the one I want to use. Now that I've seen it, I'll click on it, and this is it. Loading icon, and this is it. We have recreated it. So I want to go to my timer, which is this clock sign you can see at the side. I'll click on it and reduce it to 3 seconds. It is currently on 9 seconds, which is too long, so I reduce it to 3. I'll do the same thing for the page 4, which is the loading page. I want to reduce it to 3. We don't want it to be too long. So this is basically how it is done. It's left to you to be creative, search through and do what you feel is great. And that's it.